Good morning and welcome to another full transparency trading session where I'm your host Sebastian, and today we're taking a look at the market to see what we have in store for this day. Let's go up to right here and have you be the points of entry going forward. 34 just below 40. 40 is probably the area, but 34 should cover us as far as having more than enough space. These are micros after all. This area right here on the 1 hour time frame, 150 should get us in there. Let's go to market and make sure that we're set up on NASDAQ so that if I want to execute a trade, I can do it fairly quickly. And then head on down to the 15-minute time frame. And let's just see everything. As you can see, we consolidated another night like we did the night prior. And here's the thing, we're doing the exact same type of a move that sent us down lower. And honestly, what I believe is going to happen today is that the market will go ahead and pull it down a little bit in preparation for earnings. Let's go ahead and look at my company earnings calendar. Very, very big earnings day today. We have Google and Tesla in the exact same day. Let's go take a look at their stocks real quick as we're going forward. I don't see any on the Wednesday of next week, we've got Microsoft and Meta, and then Apple and Amazon the following Thursday. So we got an amazing 2 weeks here set up, really a week and a day that's going to have some really meaningful earnings for us, those of us who trade the NASDAQ and S&P 500. Let's head over here and take a look at Tesla. As we look at Tesla, you can see pre-market, it's down actually a little bit, about 90 cents or so, right? But their earnings are this afternoon. So what I believe that they're going to do is start to pull back towards the 300, maybe the early twos or late twos or whatever, in preparation for what could happen during earnings. If they hit their earnings and all the metrics and the people decide to buy heavy into Tesla, we could see it push right back up to 400 to the $450 mark. The highest it's been all time is about $490. I don't think from here we could shoot that high. But if we do shoot that high, that'll put SPY at like 640, 600 and almost $50, which is, like I said, that's probably the goal that they're looking for on SPY. We've been up to $631.50 so far, and we're currently at $631.38. So you see, we usually go to the 50 and reject like we did here. We made it over by about 4 cents, pulled back all the way down here, and eventually made our way back to our supply zone, which is now our current demand zone. So the expectation is that we'll have a similar type of move. We've broken the all-time high. We've shattered the all-time high that was previously set as well by a couple of dollars. Looking at QQQ, it's pretty much the exact same thing. QQQ is actually heading for its highest all-time currently, but that's the cool thing. NQ is not there. NQ is nowhere near that high. NQ has a $100 or so that we can work with. Let's get up to the top of this real quick. Yeah, NQ sitting at 231. We can get all the way up to 429. So we have a $200 gap. That is why futures are so dope, because $7 is $150 with one micro contract, and we have a $200 gap that we're trying to fill on our way up to $500. So let's go ahead and mark out the $500 now as the goal. Obviously, we made it up to 425, 426 or whatever, and we're looking to get back there today. But I anticipate the market pulling down in preparation for the earnings and what's about to happen. The same thing will probably happen next week as well. We're currently up $65 waiting for the 9:30 opening to happen, which could send us up a little bit towards this 200 EMA and then break us on down back towards the bottom here. I've got this set up as my point of interest to enter based off of a 1 hour time frames, 200 EMA. Obviously we could wake through it and go all the way down there, but I'm only risking $150 to $170 on this play anyway, looking for $1,000 out of it. If things pull up here back to the resistance area, I'll go ahead and take the one to the downside, which would be good. No matter how you swing it, I've got two great entries just sitting and waiting, and we'll see which one fills first, and then we'll start locking in profit from there. Other than that, man, you guys have a great day. This has been another full transparency trading session where I'm your boy Sebastian, and I'm out. You guys know the motto: take the easy money.